Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you can't update your iPhone. So you have some errors when you try to update it. So how you can fix it? First method you can also try is to do hard reset on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to click on lock button and for lower volume button and just wait until it will you will see black screen and now it will appear Apple logo, so it means that you successfully do hard reset on your iPhone. So if and after it will open your system, it will load system, you need to go to the settings and just try again to update your iPhone. So if you have error again, so you need to try another way. So another way it's to another thing you can also try it's to just connect to your computer, just connect your phone to your laptop and just try to download the latest software you want to install. Just download it manually and just choose it from iTunes and just update your software with iTunes. So I hope that one of these two methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.